right, let's do the first sound of words, okay? Let's listen and identify what is the first sound of each word. You ready, Raccoon? Yes, I am! All right. Oh, is Johan ready? Yes? You ready, Johan? Yes. Oh, thank you for telling me yes. I saw that hand. Okay, the first one is cow. Ow! Yes. Duck. 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 Very good. Very good, Raccoon. Pig. Pig. Okay. Hen. Horse. Horse. Wait a minute. Hen and horse. What do they both begin with? Let's listen to it again. Okay, let's start with hen. Hen. How about horse? Horse. They both start with huh. That's right. So, I'm going to ask you this question. We're going to change the activity slightly. Johan, which letter says huh? Is it the H or is it the D? Johan, which letter says huh? Go ahead and touch.
H. He pointed on both, but he kept pointing and he came back to H and point couple times to H.
Oh, very good. And you know what? Mom, you and I, we kept to ourselves. We didn't react. So I think he chose this because he decided this is what he wanted because we didn't give him any feedback. Yay! Good job. Good job, Johan. So yes, you're right, Johan. H says huh, like horse. Huh, like hen. Let's clap for Johan. Clap, 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 clap. Good job, Johan. Yay, that's right. We're going to continue, sweetie. Okay, Johan. Now, I want to know. Johan, which letter is it the D? Wait a minute. Yes, the D or the M? Which letter says Which letter says like mom or like McMuffin? Which letter?
Oh, I get this. He pointed to the both, but when you say like mom, so you keep pointing to the M.
Oh, very good. Good job, Johan. That's right. It is the M. M says like mom. M says like McMuffin. Yay, good. Let's clap for Johan. Clap, 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 clap. High five. Let's give Raccoon a high five, Johan. High five. High five. Yay, good job. Good job. Johan, you're learning the alphabet. Good job. Okay, let's do one more, sweetie. Okay, Johan, which letter? Here's the C and here's the R. Which letter says k like cat?
Oh, he pointed right away to C.
Very good. You're right, Johan. C says k like cat. That's right. C says k like cat. Yes. Oh my goodness. I misspoke. There's actually one more that we want to do, okay? There's the letter P. Oops, here's a letter P and the letter R. P and R. P and R. Which one says like raccoon? Which one says like raccoon?
Oh, wow. Oh, he point first at P, then when you say raccoon, he point to R.
Oh, very good. It is. R says like raccoon. Very good. Johan, that's very good. I've only shown you this letter maybe 3 times at most. Good job, with raccoon. Yay, Johan. R says like raccoon. Let's clap for Johan. Clap, 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 clap. Yay. Okay. All right. Oh, you're adjusting. That's okay. He's adjusting. Okay, Johan, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have a treat, Johan. Have a treat. I'm gonna sing you a song now. Okay, there's your reward. Have your reward. You ready? Good job, Johan. You are learning the alphabet. You're learning the name of the letter. You're learning the sound of the letter. Good job learning the alphabet. Good job, Johan. Good job making choices. I ask you a question, you make the choice. Good job listening to the question and answering the question. Yay! Johan, very good.